Hey girls and monsters and monsters. This is a introductory video to the Venus McFlytrap sort of series playlist of how I made my Venus McFlytrap cosplay. I love Monster High. I love everything it stands for. I love the different designs. The fashion is freaky fabulous. And I love that they celebrate Aries, individuality, quirks, and you for being you. So, material source mainly for this whole series was my Venus McFlytrap doll. As you can see beautifully here, she is the first series, not the new one. And I also have Julian here. So in this series, you can see all the hairstyles. In this series, we'll be doing everything from her feet, which is where we start first, so literally her feet up, to every single bit. So even the vines, the little bag, the eye coffin, and hopefully Julian, if we get enough time and I can master it. Maybe in the future I'll do a Rebecca's theme as a steampunk. I love her whole outfit. So these are both series 1 dolls. They're my two favourite characters. As a steampunk, I couldn't help it with Rebecca's theme. I love her outfit. So depending on how this series goes, I think next Monster High cosplay will be Rebecca's theme. As with Julian, I also have a little pet owl. Forgotten what his name is. So yeah, so hopefully you'll enjoy the series. This was my first attempt at making how to make videos, so please bear with me. The first 2 videos aren't best, and you will see after that they get slightly better. So this is my first time doing videos, first time editing, so please bear with me. All feedback is more than welcome. I did try dyeing my hair like Venus's, but it didn't really work. Pink went a bit more peachy and the green went a bit too yellowy, but you know, try there. So yeah, so first episode will be the shoes. We will do everything part by part. Main reason for doing the series is I looked on YouTube and I couldn't find like even makeup. I could find makeup, but not really anything that I could reference to and stuff. And this is a way of me showing my learning curve for my own archives, because I can look back at materials and stuff I've used. So I'll be showing all materials. I'll be trying my best to do every single step, but due to the nature of how I make things, and I do little bits between my main work, so it might not go as smoothly, should we say. I'll try my best. Probably the third video, which I think is going to be the painting of her t-shirt and the bag, will be a better quality one. So any feedback, and obviously reason why I love Monster High, yeah, so hopefully we'll both go on a journey. We'll all go on a journey together, and I'd love to see your Monster High cosplays. I'd love to see what you've done, your own twists, or if you've done screen accurate, the more the merrier, because we're all monsters inside. So I will let you get on with the playlist. Enjoy, guys! This is a slight PS edit from the previous video, because I've just watched it back and I'm really nervous because I don't usually do videos and stuff. So I've got to say, this is a way of sharing, because I believe in sharing cosplays the way you make things, so feel free to use any of the ways I've used for any sort of cosplay, whether it be Monster High or anything. All the copyrights, Mattel, of course, well, the character copyrights. Well, I think that's it. So yeah, it's been about sharing, and the more we share our materials, techniques and stuff, I think the better the cosplay scene is. So yeah, just a little side note. So